to my channel. If you're new here, kindly click the subscribe button and like and share this video. Thank you. If you're interested in knowing how I made these t-shirts, make sure to stay to the end of this video. So we'll be needing a fabric, a scissors, a t-shirt pattern, and a chalk. So now we need to cut out the fabric we'll be needing for this t-shirt. I'm going to be folding the fabric into two, then I'll fold into two again, making 4 places. So I'll be cutting out the length of the pattern from the fabric. The pattern already has its sewing allowance, so there's no need adding any allowance. So I'm cutting out 25 inch. So I'll be marking out the 25 inch on the fabric. I'll be making a straight line and then I'll cut it out. So this is the fabric we'll be needing for the t-shirt. Now I'm stretching it out. It's already folded in 2 places before. I'm going to fold it again, making it 4 fold. So I'll be placing the folded pattern on the folded clothes. Now I'll take my chalk and mark it out. I'm going to be tracing out the pattern on the fabric. Yeah. Since the pattern has only the back neckline, I have to mark out the front neckline too before cutting. So I'll be needing 3 by 4 inch for the neckline, the front neckline. Mark out 4 inch and I trace it out. Now I'm going to be cutting. When you're cutting, make sure you cut out the back neckline first. Then cut out the bodies. Remove the excess fabric, and now we have a t-shirt. To cut the front neckline, I have to remove the back piece. This is what it looks like after cutting the front piece and the back piece. Now I will remove the back piece and fold back the front piece. Then cut out the front neckline. There you have it, the front piece of the t-shirt. The back piece of the t-shirt. Then put that aside. Now it's time to cut the sleeve of the t-shirt. So I'm going to be folding the fabric in 4 places again. Then I'll put the pattern on it and trace it out. After tracing, I'll be cutting. Going to be cutting out this traced part. Now I'm going to notch the center. There you have it, both sleeve of the t-shirt. Now I'm going to be cutting the neck band or the neck rib. I'm using the same fabric as a t-shirt. So now I'll be needing 2-inch width for the neck band. I'll be tracing it out to get a straight line. You can use 2.5 if you want it to be wider, and you can use 2.2 if you want it to be wider, whichever you choose. It's okay. Now I'll be cutting it out. There we have it, a neck rib. So now this is the t-shirt bodies. the front and back. This is the two sleeves. And here is the neckband. That's all we'll be needing for the t-shirt. So now I'm going to take to the machine and sew. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, I'm done sewing. I sewed the shoulder, the armhole, then the body. Now it's time to add the neck. I'm going to be measuring the neck so I can get the length for the neckband. So here we have 9.5 inch. Kindly note it is folded in two. The neckline is folded in two, so this is going to be 9.5 into place. So we are going to be deducting 1 inch from the 9.5, which is going to be 8.5 inch into place. Eight and a half inch into place. That's what we'll be needing for the neckband. So we'll be cutting it out. So I'm going to go to the machine and join this side together. I'll be right back. Now I've joined the two sides together, making a circle. Now I'm going to fold in two. I'll fold in two, place it at the side of the neck line, and go to the machine and sew it down. And while sewing, I'm going to be stretching it out to occupy the whole neckline. So I'm going to go to the machine and get back. So guys, I'm done adding the neck of the t-shirt. Yay! This is what it looks like. Don't actually mind it yet. After I stop stitch the neck, it is going to look okay. But this is what it looks like after adding the neckline. So I'm going to top stitch the neck, hem the sleeves, and hem the down part of the t-shirt. I'll be back. So guys, this is what our t-shirt looks like after hemming and ironing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.